Welcome to this bonus lesson about graphs. I've got to be very careful how I scroll here so I don't show you too much. Here's the first four graphs. Have a look at those. Are you happy with those? We've got y equals x. I've written y equals x to the 1, but remember the 1 doesn't really change anything. But I want to have the 1 there. And then y equals x to the 2, which means y equals x squared. We've done that a few times now. That looks like that. Y equals x cubed. We've done that once. Remember that this point here can be explained as minus 1 because if x equals minus 1, y equals minus 1 cubed, which is minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1, which is minus 1. And we can just go on and on explaining all that, and that explains why that's negative. So why is this one up here? Why, when y equals minus 1, is x equal to 1? Well, because, have a think about it. Y equals x to the 4. So if x equals minus 1, y equals minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1, which is 1. Right. Having done that, time for a prediction. Can you predict what y equals x to the 5 and y equals x to the 6 will look like? So let's do these two next. And by the way, the curves will actually be a bit different, but they basically look the same. But we're not worrying about that here. Obviously pause the video, have a go in your own time. That's what y equals x to the 5 looks like, and that's what y equals x to the 6 looks like. For exactly the same reasons. What about y equals x to the 7 and y equals x to the 8? Pause the video, have a go in your own time. Well, again, y equals x to the 7, because it's an odd power, can be negative. But y equals x to the 8, that's an even power. So there you go. Now, can you sketch y equals x to the 83? What on earth's that going to look like? Answer, it's going to look like that. End of lesson.